To determine the length of the crown molding lineal, add 3 1/2 inches to the outside measurements or the length of the header lineal. Cut the crown molding lineal to length. Now adjust the saw to cut a 45-degree bevel. Lay the lineal face up on the saw. Cut a bevel on the face of the lineal from the upper corner edge. If you aren't using a miter saw, you can place a crown molding end cap in the end of the lineal, trace along the end cap, and cut along the line using snips. Flip the lineal around and repeat the process on the other end. Next, cut about a 7/8 inch notch in the bottom leg of the lineal. This notch will eventually make room for the siding. Of course, repeat this on the other end. The crown molding end caps are supplied in easily separated pairs. Using PVC cement, place glue only on the outward face of the end cap. Hold the lineal so you can pull the foam away slightly and insert the cap. Now reposition the foam into the end cap. The foam will help keep the cap in place. You will likely need to apply pressure to the lineal and the cap long enough for adhesion to take place. Consult the cement instructions for specific recommendations. In this step, cut a notch out of the top receiving pocket equal to the notch you previously cut in the bottom leg. Trim the foam back to match these notches. After repeating this on the opposite end, you are now ready to install the lineal. Simply push the bottom leg of the crown molding down into the receiving pocket of the header lineal. Next, place a piece of flashing under the crown lineal down over the nail hem of the header and side lineals. This will help direct any moisture. Flashing should be placed on both ends of the lineal. Finally, secure the lineal by fastening loosely through the center of the nailing slots approximately every 8 to 12 inches.